Christmas is coming and I am doing a winter giveaway. I will be selecting the winner on the 1st of December. So if you would like to be the winner, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and comment all our videos. My videos, by the way, when I say ours, and follow me on Instagram at KittyFimpy. The handle is gonna be right here. Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's Wednesday, I'm coming back again with a brand new video, and I'm collaborating with Elva Hair today to bring you an awesome video and awesome wig to show you in order to get this wig for even cheaper. Okay, make sure that you look at the description box below for all the links and the coupon, guys. But just check it out and use the coupon code in order to get this wig for a cheaper price. So I'm so excited, guys, to collaborate with Elva Hair. So I'm just gonna open the box right now. I think I already damaged the box. So I'm like a little kid that's so excited to open a box. So it comes with a card, business card, which is so nice. It comes with a wig cap, which, yeah, we appreciate. Even if you don't need it, it's nice that they give you something for free that you didn't pay for. And it comes with an elastic band. So this is something that you can sew into your wig from ear to ear in order to have your wig tighten and more secure. Basically, it comes with an additional card, which I'm happy about because I'm gonna make use of it. It's even nice one. Nice. I'm gonna use it today actually. And that's it. And then there's just a box that we don't need. And this is the wig, guys. The wig is from Elva Hair, like I've already mentioned. It's 150% density wig, so it's gonna be really thick. And it's an ombre color, that golden nice color that you know I like, so I gotta go for it. And it's Brazilian straight lace front human hair wig pre-plucked. So they said that they already pre-plucked it, so let's just open the wig now and see. It's quite nice. I can reuse this wig cover, so I'm gonna keep that. Actually, I'm not gonna throw it away, I'm gonna keep that. This is the wig, guys. Oh, it comes with this net. I don't understand what we need this net for. Oh, okay, and this paper, I know he has to hold shape, but who cares? So yeah, this is the wig, guys. This is the wig. Nice color. It is, they said that it was straight, however we see some wave. The reason why we see some wave is because how it was packaged and then how it was sent all the way from China all the way to United Kingdom. So you know, the couriers are not gonna treat our packages right. So yeah, it's gonna be folded like that. It smells nice. Sorry guys, I always have to do my smell check. So let's just go straight to the wig construction. It comes with 2 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, adjustable straps. It's a 13 by 6 lace front, so you have a lot of space to play with. So yeah, so first thing I'm gonna do, I've already shown you how I lay my wig with the bolt cut method. So I got another video that already done with Elva Hair. So if you want to see the bolt cap method on how you lay your wig with the bolt cap and then glue it all the way down, then please just watch that video here. Just click on the eye. But I'm not gonna do that today because today I want to be in a rush. Today I want a quick method. First step, guys, we're gonna put our pressing powder, and I'm just gonna get a brush like so, and we're just gonna dab, guys, and put it all over the lace. And I want my lace to look like my skin tone. Okay, so now that you have put your pressing powder all over the lace, I use the Got to Be Glue spray. What this does, guys, it will hold in and lock in all those powders to stick and stay on the lace and not move and mess about. So it's a good thing. Okay, so you can use it like even tomorrow. You don't have to apply your powder all the time because come on, powders are quite expensive. You don't want to use the powders like that. Okay, so now that we have cut the lace like so, this is how the wig looks. So we're gonna put it on. How the wig is looking straight out of the back. Straight out of the back. This is the wig, guys. I like it. It's so soft already, but we have to work with it. So first thing I'm gonna do is brush it backwards. So we have the hair out of the way. By the way, guys, the length of this wig is 18 inches. so it is quite long for 18 as well, but I'll show you later once all this is laid. We will talk more into details about the length and the wig. Okay beauties, now I'm gonna move all the hair at the back using the pins so that the hair does not disturb me. I'm gonna bring some of the hair forward and brush it out and try to cut them to make them look like baby hairs, you know. And I'm gonna use the Got to Be Glue spray and just spray it over the lace in between the little hairs that I brought forward and the wig behind me. All right, so yes, this is just gonna be a quick one, guys. I just felt like, let me do a voiceover because I felt like doing it, but just watch, it's quite straightforward. And yes, I'm gonna apply Got to Be Glue gel on the corners because as we know, the corners, the lace always lifts, so we do need extra hold over there. And then I'm gonna use the help of the hair dryer to just dry out, and then, you know, be quick with it and have the hair dry and glued and laid and slayed. So make sure you're slaying it to the gods. Hold on, the hair is so silky, guys. It's so soft. Look how easy you can make your part. I'm just gonna have to turn the hot comb on, and then, you know, I'm gonna make the parts like sleek and then straight. So let's go back to the middle part, but let me just come close and show you how the hair looks, guys. This is how the hair looks. This is the color. This is such a nice ombre. It gets lighter here, golden, and then it gets on the brown. The last, it is such a natural last, guys. It's not shiny hair, it just looks like healthy hair. This is Brazilian. And there I am again with my voiceover, guys. I'm just gonna make my baby hairs right now. I'm just cutting them a little bit shorter because they're a bit too long, right? I'm gonna scoop them on the side, I already had done a video on how I do my baby hair, so if you want to check that out, just go on my channel, binge watch my video, you will know that. As you can see me right now, I'm gonna apply some powder. You know I love me some powder on your party, powder on your baby hairs. It's called the blending game, guys. Be blending. Yeah, and there I go, getting my lip gloss because I wanted to be beautiful for you in the camera. And yes, I'm looking hot. So now that the hot comb is on, first thing we're gonna do is pressing the back side and pressing it down, or comb it down, either way, because this is straight hair. You can comb it down, just hold a little bit. Then you keep on going to the top area and you press it down. I'm gonna also use this hair stick from DG Bedhead Studio. All the links are gonna be in the description box below, to put it on top of my wig. This is gonna make them stick down nicely and also avoid all flyaways, which, you know, natural human hair do have flyaways. You can't do anything about it. So you just put the hair stick on top like that, like so. I can already see all the flyaways being stick down. I'm gonna apply some on the side as well, but for now we're gonna start with the top side. Then we're gonna use the brush to brush it down. So you can use this to stick it down without heat, and it has already laid your wig flat. But because I'm extra, I use this method on top of with the heat. So I'm also gonna use the hot comb to press it down a little bit more as well because I'm extra. But if you don't like to use heat on your wigs or on your real hair, just use that product, because see the way my wig is slicked down already. You brush and then you press down with that product I put there. Now I'm gonna use the heat as well because I'm extra. At this point, I'm just gonna apply heat to lay the hair down. By the way, I hope you are subscribed. Come fai a non amarmi? Dovresti iscriverti adesso, dai su se mi ami. This hair, guys, is amazing. It's so soft, it's nice. See, good hair can never disappoint you when it's good, okay? Guys, I'm so scared to burn my scalp, so being so careful with this hot comb. It's been burning me plenty times. Okay, where's the hair stick? I can't emphasize how important this step is for me, really, to use that hair stick to lay and slay the wig, to make it look like not even waves, like it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. If you tell me no, you are lying. In fact, you are a hater. If you know the truth, you will just say, yeah, she did great, she did good. Look at this hair, look at looking too nice. Elva Hair, your hairs are beautiful. Here, which is like way under my boot, way past it. I'm gonna have to give you a 360, guys. Wow. You are beautiful. You are, yes, fan yourself. Yeah, move left and right. Beautiful. Na papa born. Oh, look at front. Look at the front. So this is, oh my goodness, Elva Hair, you have done it again. Oh yes, turn yourself. Show them. The hair has body. It is so lightweight, but at the same time, it has a lot of hair. And the hairline is amazing. It came pre-plucked. Yes, they were right when they said pre-plucked, because look at this. Look at the front part. The baby hairs are laid nicely. The front part, it goes all the way back. It's a 13x6 frontal wig. Highlights. Look at the highlight, guys. Look at that. From light to darker. Who said the blonde don't look good on black people? Who said that? Who said that? Oh, let me just bring all that at the front, because we need attitude at the moment. Why they already got attitude? And let's ask that question again. Who said? Who told you that black people don't look good with highlight wig or blonde wig? Not me. You were definitely not talking about me. Okay, let me just see how I look. Oh, get the vision. Look at the vision. With my Gucci bag, with my Fenty dress, and with my Valentino heels, and with this wig on. And you want to take me to McDonald's? Are you not mad? You know the thing that they say mad, you decrease. Don't fit that level. Okay, my pitching is so bad, but you get what I'm saying. Pitching is broken English, by the way, period, and we like that. So we like this wig too. Okay, let's do something else, guys. Let me do something else. Oh god, this wig is giving me vibes. It's giving vim. It was at this point that I realized that I came to break the internet. Wow! Madam, you are beautiful, eh? Madam, you are blessed by God, eh? Carry on. Show them. What? This wig? This wig is rude. This wig is rude. When I mean rude, I mean it's nice. This wig is so rude that out of nowhere, he has come here to shine and drop my. This is how rude this wig is. And rude is a compliment. This wig is so rude that will give you attitude. Oh god, this wig is so nice on me, guys. This is a 10. Thank you, Elva Hair, for sending me this hair. I want to collaborate with you consistently. See the word consistently? I want to collaborate with you. Don't leave me. This wig is so good. Don't leave me. That is breaking the barrier of ugliness. Don't leave me. This wig is so good. that is breaking the law of, who is it, Newton? I don't even know. Who is it? The law of gravity. You can fly with this wig. It's breaking the law of gravity. You can fly because your attitude will fly. Your wings will spread. Huh? You will become proud. Huh? My wings are spread. I'm flying now. What? You tell me I don't look good on this? Guys, 10 out of 10. Oh, delivery. How long did it take me to receive it? I need to tell you how long it took me to receive it. Okay, so it took 10 days. One thing I like Elva Hair, the customer service is a 10 out of 10. The quality of the wig is a 10 out of 10. The delivery all the way from China to United Kingdom, China to United Kingdom in this pandemic, in this global crisis, the wig came on time. 10 working days. I didn't have to wait 20 days. In this pandemic, I still received it. No, you must understand. Yeah, put your 1+1 inside here and make it equal 2. They are a great company that I wish to keep on collaborating with, and I hope that they don't drop me because I actually like the wigs. This wig is pink. Plus, the funny thing is I've been buying from them and they didn't even know. They didn't even notice me. Thanks to YouTube, they see me now. They see me now. Now I shine. Now I shine. You know the list of collaborations, the list that I receive. I'm rejecting. I am very picky on who I want to bring on my channel, because I'm not begging for wigs. If I want wigs, I'll buy them myself, because me, I am addicted of buying them. Okay, so I don't need them to come give me free wigs to come review to you. It is not necessary. Me, I can buy them. Me, I'll buy them. But now they want to all to collaborate. You understand? I'm so thankful. It's all about God. So guys, thank you very much.